Ever feel like you're constantly chasing your tail, juggling estimates, scheduling nightmares, and a mountain of invoices? If you're in the field service industry, you're probably nodding your head right now. There's a reason for that feeling. Without the right tools, managing a field service business can feel like an endless game of whack-a-mole. But what if there was a software solution designed to streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and free you up to focus on what matters most, growing your business? That's where ServiceTitan comes in. It's a popular all-in-one platform used by countless contractors, plumbers, electricians, and other field service professionals. But with a hefty price tag, the question remains, is ServiceTitan worth the money for your business? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of ServiceTitan. We'll explore its features, pricing, and what actual users have to say about their experience. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of whether ServiceTitan is the right fit for you and your bottom line. The ServiceTitan promise: streamlining your workflow. ServiceTitan positions itself as a one-stop shop for managing every aspect of your field service business. Here are some key features they tout. Dispatch and scheduling. Streamline job assignment, optimize routes, and track technician progress in real time. Customer management. Manage customer information, communication, and service history all in one place. Quoting and invoicing. Generate professional quotes, automate invoicing, and accept online payments. Inventory management. Track inventory levels, optimize purchasing, and avoid stockouts. Reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your business performance with customizable reports and dashboards. These features sound impressive, but do they translate to real-world benefits? Let's break it down. Boosting efficiency and saving time. One of the biggest advantages ServiceTitan users report is a dramatic increase in efficiency. Dispatchers can create optimized schedules. Technicians have all the job information they need at their fingertips, and invoices are generated automatically. This translates to less time spent on administrative tasks and more time getting the actual work done. A study by ServiceTitan claims that users see an average of a 20% increase in technician productivity. That's a significant number, especially when you consider the impact on your bottom line. More jobs completed in less time means more revenue and happier customers. Improved communication and customer satisfaction. ServiceTitan allows for better communication between your office staff, technicians, and customers. Customers can receive appointment confirmations and updates directly through the platform. Technicians can access customer service history and notes before every visit, ensuring a more professional and personalized experience. This focus on communication fosters trust and can lead to higher customer satisfaction. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat clients and refer your business to others. Data-driven decisions for growth. ServiceTitan's reporting and analytics capabilities are a powerful tool for any business owner. You can track key metrics like lead generation, conversion rates, job completion times, and revenue growth. This data helps you identify areas for improvement, optimize your marketing efforts, and make informed decisions about the future of your business. The cost factor. Is ServiceTitan worth the investment? There's no denying that ServiceTitan is a premium software solution. Pricing is based on a tiered system, with features and functionality increasing with each tier. This means the cost can vary significantly depending on the size and complexity of your business. Here's the thing. The true cost of ServiceTitan goes beyond the monthly subscription fee. You'll need to factor in training for your staff, potential integration costs with existing software, and ongoing customer support. So, is ServiceTitan worth the money? Reviews from users are mixed. Here's a breakdown of some common feedback. Pros: increased efficiency, improved customer communication, valuable data and analytics, better job scheduling and dispatching. Cons: can be expensive for smaller businesses, learning curve for some users, limited customization options compared to some competitors. Ultimately, whether ServiceTitan is worth the money depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're a growing business with a sizable team and complex workflows, ServiceTitan can be a valuable investment. However, if you're a smaller operation with a simple business model, the cost might outweigh the benefits. ServiceTitan is a powerful tool that can transform your business. However, it's not a magic bullet. If you're committed to streamlining your operations, improving efficiency, and scaling your business, then ServiceTitan can be a worthwhile investment. But be sure to weigh the costs, consider your specific needs, and factor in the learning curve before taking the plunge. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But remember, in today's competitive landscape, a disorganized and inefficient business is a recipe for stagnation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,